Hello everyone, my name is Jenna Bromell and I am a process engineer. Just to give a bit of background on myself, I'm from Limerick. I am a graduate of Castletroy College and I'm a graduate of Chemical and Biochemical Engineering at the University of Limerick. I was lucky in that when I was graduating from Castletroy, I received 7 A1s, so I entered university with an academic scholarship. I was the Limerick recipient for the Nocton Foundation Scholarship for that year and also the Striker Scholarship, and that really helped me in supporting me through college really. I was also a dual student athlete in college. As well as completing my studies, I was also an international athlete competing for the university and for Ireland in the 400, 800 metre events. And I was lucky to also be on sports scholarship whilst at UL, and that really helped me in trying to balance my athletics with my studies. I'm also now continuing to be a dual engineer athlete, continuing to compete at an elite level, and I think that it's really important to do this. I think it's really important to have a hobby outside of your profession as well, because I think that it can really help to make you a more rounded person and a better engineer as well at the end of the day. I think that the skills I've learned through my athletics, such as resilience, commitment, discipline, and also how to be a leader, really helps to complement me as an engineer in the workplace. I was also a recipient of the UL President's Distinction Award for finishing top in engineering when I graduated, and I am currently a senior process engineer and the Wisdom 2D University Programme Lead for the J&J sites in Limerick. So just to briefly go through my life as an engineer, it's varied, no 2 days are the same. But if I was just to go through the main tasks for me, I would say one of the main ones is tackling ongoing yield issues as a process engineer. So if there is a crisis on the line, it's trying to determine the root cause for it and work with others to try and put a solution in place. I also lead or am involved in many business critical continuous improvement projects. Project management is a key part of the job and it's a very important skill to develop as an engineer. I also provide process input for new designs. I take a structured problem solving approach to solving any yield issues that I'm given, and I also try to upskill others in trying to apply these approaches as well. Communication with key stakeholders is also a really important part of the job, and also, as I mentioned before, having that release outside of engineering in the evening, I go to the track and I do my training. So what do I love about engineering? I love the challenge, and when I solve the challenge or when I'm part of solving the challenge, I love the reward that comes with it. I love a challenge and I love the satisfaction of actually trying to solve that challenge and see it solved, especially if it has taken months to come about. It can be really rewarding. There's also endless opportunities. Like if I think of the graduates that were in my class, we've all gone in different directions. I'm a process engineering and med tech. There's also engineers working in food, beverages, pharmaceuticals, the petrol industry, energy, everything, you name it. I also love maths and I feel like this can feed very well into engineering, although it's not essential. If you don't like maths, there's lots of other areas you can go into as well. I love trying to figure out things, how they work, how to solve problems. I love working in a team, which is a key part of engineering. I love the potential to be able to positively impact others and benefit society. And also, of course, engineering is so broad, it never gets boring. So just to touch on career highlights, I won't go into detail, but I would say from a technical point of view, any time I've been involved in solving a big problem that has taken months to solve, that has been a huge highlight for me. And also on the leadership side, I've had to organise and lead many big cross-functional events as the YSTEM 2D programme lead, and also as the Campus Ireland lead for one of the employee resource groups that we have at Johnson & Johnson. And as an engineer, having these sort of, I suppose, projects and problems is something that will continue to happen. So I'm sure that those career highlights will continue to grow as well. So thank you for listening.